In this video, we are going to practice exercise 31, 32, 33 till exercise number 40. Okay, so let's begin. So, first of all, let's decide in which view we will begin this drawing. So, here this shape is visible in right side view. Okay, so it's easier for us to begin the drawing in right plane and draw this shape. Okay, so if you see the dimensions, the width of the figure is 40, so this is also 40, and the height is also 40, which is clear in the front view. So this is 40, this is 20, and the height of the base is 10. So we have all the dimensions required to draw this figure: 10, 40, 40, 20, then complete the shape. Okay, so let's begin. Go to new part, file, then select a right plane, go to sketch, select a line, start drawing from here. First draw the shape, then we can give the dimensions. Okay, go to smart dimensions. This is 10, this is 40, this is also 40, and this is 20. Now the figure is fully defined. Click OK, and we need to know the width of the figure. What is the width? So the width here is this thing, which is 70. Okay, so we need to extrude it to a distance 70. So go to features, Extruded Boss Base, change the direction, make it 70, click OK, and press escape. Now so we need to cut this portion, which is this rectangle. So the rectangle here is of dimension 40 and width, so we need to know this width. Okay, so if this is 15, mostly this is also 15. Okay, so the total distance will be 30, or you can say here, see this figure as, if this is 70 and this is 40, the remaining will be 30. So this rectangle will be of 40 and 30. Okay, now go back, select this face, normal to, then go to sketch, select a rectangle, place a rectangle like this, click OK, go to smart dimension. So this distance here is 40 and this is 30, then click OK, go to features. We need to cut this portion. Okay, so till a depth of 30, because the total height, the total depth you can say as 40, and this base height is 10, so the remaining will be 30. So go back, Go to Extruded Cut to view the direction, change the view to isometric. So give a depth of 30, click OK, then press escape. Okay, now we need this slot here, which is of 2020, okay, which can be seen from the backside view. So we can select the backside view and then draw this square of 2020, then you can cut it. So change the view to backside view. So here it is, backside view. 1 minute. Okay, so we need to draw a square of 2020 at the back side. So we are already at the back side. Click here, then go to sketch, select rectangle, place a rectangle here, click OK, go to smart dimension. So the dimensions are 20 and 20, and the distance from this line to this line, it is 10. So now it's fully defined. Click OK, go to features, Extruded Cut, then through all, click OK, then press escape, Control 7. Now we need to draw this shape. Okay, so we can draw this as a rectangle again from the backside view, then extrude till a distance of 10. Again go back to backside view, or you can select top view also. Okay, this time let's do in the top view. Normal to go to sketch, select a rectangle, place a rectangle here, click OK. So here the width is 10, then it is fully defined. Click OK, go to features, Extruded Boss Base. To see the direction, select isometric view. Now the height here is the height is 20. Okay, you can see here this height is 20. So go back and make it 20, then click OK, then press escape. Now you need to make a fillet here. So the radius of the fillet is 20. Go back, select fillet, radius 20, and I need the fillet on this edge. Click the edge, then click OK. Now the figure is completed. Exercise 31 is finished. So again, file. Now go to exercise 32. So once you observe the figure, most of the dimensions are given in the top view, and it is easier for us to proceed drawing this in top view. So now select top plane and draw this shape. Okay, so let's take this. First of all, start drawing from the right side, which is a circle of diameter 40. Go back, select top plane, go to sketch, select circle, draw a circle, then click OK. Diameter is 40, and click OK. Then you should construct this part. Okay, so now here let us create this part using a mirroring method. Okay, so first of all we need to create the half of the portion, then we will mirror remaining half of the portion. Okay, for this we need to place an axis. So select a line, center line. Okay, drag it, then right click, select. So now construct the shape. Here the total distance is 50, so this is 20, 30. So let us create this shape. Okay, now select line, select the quadrant, go straight, and close it like this, then press escape. Now go to smart dimension. So give the dimension as 20, 10 and 50. So this is 20, this is 10, and this will be 20. As the total length is 50, this will be 20, and this distance is also 10. Now we need to remove the unwanted entities. Go to trim entities, cut this, cut this. So now it is a fully defined sketch. Then click OK. Now this is the half of the sketch. Okay, now if you want to create the another half, we can use the mirror entities. Select mirror entities. So select this entity, or you can select all. Okay, select all these lines, then mirror about this axis. Now you can see it building the mirror of this sketch, then click OK. Now again select the mirror and trim entities, and cut this portion and click OK. Now we need to extrude this. So before extruding, let's place a smaller circle of diameter 20. Go to circle here and find the center, place the circle, click OK, go to smart dimension and make it 20. Now the figure is fully defined. Click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, and give it a height of 20. So 20, then click OK, then press escape, zoom to fit. So this is your figure. So exercise 32 is also finished. So let's go for exercise 33. If you observe this figure, so it is easier in front view. Okay, we can draw it in the front view and simply extrude it to get this output. So go back, select it, then go to front plane, go to sketch, then select a line. We need to draw this shape. Okay, so click here, go straight, create the shape, click OK, zoom to fit. Now give the dimensions 60, 40, 10, 10. So this is length is 60, height is 40, and this thing is 10, and this is also 10, and this height from here to here, this height is 10. So and the height is 10 and the width is 20. So from this point to this point, click OK. This point to this point, this distance is 20. Now the figure is fully defined. Click OK. Go to features and select the width. So the width is 40. Go to Extruded Boss Base. In the direction, click 40. Click OK. Then zoom to fit. Press escape. Now what's remaining here is there are 4 fillets of radius 10. So go back, select fillet, radius 10, it's already there. So first edge, second edge, this is the third edge, this is the fourth edge. Okay, so now click OK. Then so with this, the figure or the exercise 33 is also completed. Let's go to exercise 34. So this figure also can be constructed in the front view. Simply we will draw this shape and extrude it to get this, then we will cut the circular portion. So go back, okay, then go to sketch, select the front plane, then select the line, and now we need to draw this shape. Okay, so starting from the origin, draw the shape, then go to dimension. So it is 40, 50, 10, then 30. Height is 40, this is 50, This is 10. This distance is 30, and the remaining things here, this distance is 10, and this is 20. Because this radius is 20, from the center to this point it will be 20, 10 and 20. So go back, this will be 10, and so it's already defined. You can select this as 20. Okay, then it is fully defined. Click OK, go to features. So you need to know the width, which is 40. Go to Extruded Boss Base, select this, make it 40, click OK. Zoom to fit, escape. Now you need to draw the circle here. The radius of the circle is the diameter of the circle is 20. Okay, you can place the circle on the midpoint. So click this, select normal to, go to sketch, circle, come to the midpoint. So this is your midpoint. Place a circle, give it a diameter of 20, then click OK. Go to features, Extruded Cut, make it through all direction, click OK. Escape, Control 7. Now on this base portion we have a fillet of radius 20. So go to fillet, select radius 20, select this edge and select this edge, click OK. So this figure, exercise 34, is also completed. Now let's go to exercise 35. So exercise 35 also we will draw in the front view. Okay, now click front plane, go to sketch, select a line, draw the shape, click OK. Now give the dimension, height 30, length 50, 10, 30, 50, 10. Okay, go to dimension, this is 30, this is 50, and this is 10. Now click OK. Okay, you need to define this or this. This is 10. Then click OK. Go to features. You know what is the width here? It is 40. So go to Extruded Boss Base. Give it a width 40. Then click OK. Zoom to fit. Press escape. Now we need to cut a small cube from here. Okay, so it is of a it's actually we need to cut a square and extrude till a distance of 10. Okay, and it's a cube basically of side 10. So go back, select this one, normal to, go to sketch, place a square, click OK, go to smart dimension. So on each side it is 10 and 10. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut through all, OK, escape, control 7. Now again we need to draw a fillet here of radius 20. Go back, go to fillet, radius 20, this edge and this edge. Click OK. Now the fillet is ready. Now on the same with the same center you need to draw a circle of diameter 20. So click here, normal to, go to sketch, circle, place your cursor here so that you will see the center. So this is your center. Click and drag to place a circle, then go to smart dimension, give it a diameter of 20, then click OK, then go to features, extruded cut, click OK, escape, control 7. So with this exercise 35 is also completed. Now 36. So this one also we will draw in front view. Okay, we will draw this L shape and we will extrude it, okay, till a width of 40. So let's do it. Select the front plane, sketch line. So we need to draw this shape. Go to smart dimension, 40, 50, 20. Okay, from here 10, 40, 50, 20. So this is 10, 40, 50, 20. Now this is fully defined. Click OK. Go to features, extruded boss base, and the width is 40. Click OK. Zoom to fit. Escape. Now you have the shape. Here we need a we need to cut this shape. So the radius is 10. And here if you see, this is 10, this is also 10. So this total is 20, that means it is 10. Then this is 10, this is 10. Okay, let's create this shape in the top view and cut it. It's not simply a fillet or something, so we need to go at a depth of 10, then make this circle. So select this, normal to. So first let's place a circle here. Click OK. Smart dimension. So the radius of the circle is 10. So let's give it So the radius is 10, that means the diameter is 20. Now we need to place the center of this one. So the center will be 30 from the top and 40 from this side, because okay, you can see here it is or simply you can place the quadrants. Okay, the quadrant is 30 from the right side, yani from this point to this point. Okay, okay, if you want to take the circle, it's a different thing. Press escape. Let's put the central distance only, and this is 30, this is 10, so that will be 40. Okay, go to smart dimension. From the center to this point it is 40, and from the center to the top portion it is 20 plus 10, that is 30. From here to here this distance is 30. Okay, and click OK. Go to line, then connect the quadrant to this portion, and okay, so now press escape, select line again from this quadrant to this, then complete the square. Click OK. Now we need to trim the unwanted entities. Go to trim entities, cut this portion, cut this portion, also cut this portion. Okay, then click OK. Go to features, extruded cut, then click OK, then escape, Control 7. Now we need to draw this one. Okay, so it is a rectangle of width 10 till the end. Okay, click this, normal to, select sketch, rectangle, place a rectangle here, click OK. Just we need to give the width, so the width of the rectangle is 10, then it is fully defined. Click OK. Go to features, extruded boss base. To see the direction, select isometric, so the height will be, so the total height is 40, the base height is 20, remaining height will be 20, so make it 20. Click OK, press escape. Now what is remaining? There are two fillets of radius 10, so this is 10, this is radius 10. Okay, so go to fillet, radius 10, it's already there, select these two edges, click OK. Now the figure is completed. Exercise 36 is also finished. Let's go to exercise 37. Okay, if you observe this can be easily drawn in right side view. In one go we will make it extrude and make a shape like this. Then we have to make a triangular hole inside the base. So here the width is 60. If this is 60, this is also 60. The height is 40, and this width is 20. Then from here this is 20, and this will be 40 because this is 20, then this will be 40. This will be 40 and 20. Okay, 60, 40, 20, 20, 40. In right side view, select right plane, then go to sketch, select line, then we will start drawing from here. Go to smart dimension, so this is 60, this height is 40, this is 20, this is also 20. Now the figure is fully defined. Click OK, go to features, Extruded Boss Base. So we need to give it this width. Okay, any this width, it is 40. So increase it till it is 40. Click OK, press escape. Now we need to make this fillet of radius 20. So go to fillet, radius 20, select this edge, click OK. Now we need to make a triangular hole on the base. So click this one, go to normal to sketch, select line, place a triangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. So the triangle is of 20, this dimension is 20, and also this is also 20, and the base is 20 and height is also 20. So the base 20, height is also 20. Then the distance from this line to this line is 10, and this is 10, and also the distance from here to here is 10. Yani this line to this line, the distance is 10. Now it is fully defined. Click OK, go to features, Extruded Cut, click OK, escape, Ctrl 7. Now what is remaining? We need to cut this portion, which is this one. We need to make this shape on this plane or on this face, then cut it off. So let's make this. Click the face, normal to go to sketch, line, make the shape, click OK. So this distance is 10 and this distance is also 10. That means go to smart dimension, from this point to this point, from this point to this point, the distance is 10 and this distance is also 10. And so this is 20 plus 10, 30. So remaining distance will be 10. So this portion will be 10. Now it is fully defined. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut, click OK. Press escape, Control 7. So this completes the exercise 37. Now let's go to 38. So this shape can be constructed in front view. Okay, it can be, of course it can be constructed in any view. You can choose any top or front, no problem. So front, it seems easier. So 30, 40. Select then go to front plane, go to sketch, then select a rectangle, place a rectangle, click OK, go to smart dimension. So it is 30, 40. So this is 30, this is 40. Click OK, go to features, extruded boss base. Now the length of extrusion, in this case the width is 60, so make it 60. Click OK, zoom to fit. Now we need to make a semicircle. So this is semicircle till a depth of 20. Okay, we need to make a semicircle till a depth of 20. So now let's select this face, normal to. So the semicircle radius is 20. Radius is 20 means diameter is 40. Okay, now select the circle, place a circle here, click OK, go to smart dimension, give it a diameter 40. Okay, so now we need to make it a semicircle. So select a line, make a line from here to here and click OK, and go to trim entities, cut this portion, click OK, go to features, make an extruded cut. To see the direction, select isometric. So we need a depth of 20 only, from here to here the depth is 20, so make it 20, click OK. then press escape. Okay, now what is remaining? So here we need to make this triangle shape and cut it furthermore 20. Okay, so this triangle is present on this face, so click on this face, normal to, select a line, make a triangle like this, click OK, go to features, extruded cut. To view the direction of cut, select this, it's already 20, and click OK, escape. So now this is your required model. Okay, so exercise 38 is also completed. Now exercise 39. So exercise 39, also we will construct this in the front view. So starting from here, 20, 40, 50, 20. Okay, first we will create the shape, then we will give the dimensions in the front view. New, select the front plane, go to sketch, select a line, then so first of all we will create this L shape. Okay, we will create this later, we will create the triangle later. First of all we will create this L shape, and we will give dimension 20, 40, 50, 20. So make a L shape, go to dimension 20, 40, or Control Z. So delete it, make this 20. This is 50, this is 40. Click OK. Now we need to extrude it till a width 40. Make it 40, then click OK. Now here we have a fillet of radius 20. So let's try it using fillet. Select this edge, click OK. But we don't need on this edge, right? We need it like this, that means this corner. Okay, so edit the feature, or simply press Ctrl Z, select fillet, this edge, click OK. Okay, now we need this triangle, so which can be constructed in a right side view. Select right plane, not right, the which plane we need to select? We need to select the back side view. Okay, select the back side view, go to sketch, click here, select line, make a triangle, click OK. Okay, go to features, Extruded Boss Base, to see the direction, isometric, so it is going outwards. To make it inwards, change the direction and reduce this to 10, because this width, okay, it is not 10, it is 20. Okay, so make it 20, then click OK, press escape. Now with this, exercise 39 is also completed. So let's go for last exercise in this video, which is exercise 40. Okay, here also we will construct this in front view. Go part, front plane, sketch, rectangle, place a rectangle. Okay, so it is of dimension 30. So once it is fully defined, extrude it till 50. Okay, this length is 50. Okay, go to features, extrude boss base, then change the direction 50, zoom fit, press escape. Now you need to cut this in using planes. Okay, so for that we need to place a point here which is at a distance of, or we can make this shape in front plane. Okay, we need to make a triangular shape here in the front view. Click normal to, then make a triangle shape. Don't use the midpoints. If you use the midpoints, it is hard to change. It will create a relation. Okay, so now this distance is 20 and this distance is 10. Okay, so go back, smart dimension, from this point to, okay, this one, it is 20. From this point to this line, it is 10. And this is also same, it is 20. Okay, so from this point to this line, it is 20, and click OK. Then select this line, make it for construction, select this line and also make it for construction, click OK, click Ctrl 7. Now we need to cut using these 3 points. See here, this point, and this point, we need to create a plane, then we need to cut in that direction. Exit sketch, go to features, select a reference geometry, plane. So carefully select 3 points. Okay, this is the first point, second point, third point, and click OK. Then go to sketch, go to normal direction, select line, again select these 3 points and click OK. OK. Now go to features, extruded boss base. No, we need to cut it actually. So select extruded cut and change the direction so that you will cut this. Then click OK. Then press escape, Control 7. So now the plane 1 is visible. In order to hide the plane, click here and hide it. Okay. So secondly, we need to cut the other direction. This one, this point, and this point. Again, we need to create a plane. Go to reference geometry, plane, select 3 points, first, second, third. Click OK, go to sketch, go normal direction. So it is showing us the back side of the plane. So in order to see the front side, again go normal to, then it will change the direction. Go to line, select the 3 points, first, second, third, then close it. Click OK, go to features, extruded cut. So it's already in the same direction, then click OK. Then again Control 7, escape. Now to hide the plane 2, click and hide it. So you can also hide the sketch, which is this one, using hide option. Now this is your exercise 40. In the next video, I will upload the exercise number 41 to exercise number 50, which completes the series. Thanks for watching.